Hey guys, today we are going to continue using dialogue in our narrative writing. Today we're really going to focus on the rules. Go ahead and pause here and do me a favor, get on Buzz, and I uploaded a reference sheet, a quick reference for you guys. It has all the rules and it really lays them out nice and easy, or like nicely, and it gives you an explanation. Please use that today during your show it. You might want to open it up in another window so you can have it already. Just pause me right now if you need to do that. Please remember that quotes have two parts. We have the actual quote, what the words the character is speaking. Then we have the dialogue tag. Okay, so this tells me how and who said it. Okay. So we're gonna have a few rules here today that I want you guys to pay attention to. Some of them we went over yesterday. Some of them we did not. They're a little bit more technical. So please pay attention to the examples. The first one, please, the first rule of quotations is to use quotation marks. They go around all the spoken words, not the whole sentence, the spoken words. If your character says it, then they go around it. So in this example, I have Taylor, let's build a snowman, said Madison. The quotation marks go around just that part, not the said Madison, not that dialogue tag, just what she said. Next, please remember that the first word in every quote is capitalized, okay? Just like at the beginning of a sentence. So here I have the T capitalized in Taylor. Punctuation marks go inside the quotation marks, okay? So I have Madison said, let's build a snowman, okay? That one is messed up, so I will go back and fix it, but just know that the punctuation goes inside the quotes. Next, I have the comma is used to separate the spoken words from the dialogue tag. So if the dialogue tag comes first, I have Madison said, comma, Taylor, let's build a snowman. Please start a new paragraph anytime a speaker changes. So in this example, I have Madison speaking and Taylor speaking. Notice that I have two different paragraphs because they are two different characters. So that kind of just signifies that the speaker changes if we change paragraphs. If the quote is divided in two and it is not a complete sentence, look at this example here. I have Madison, if we go outside in the snow, Taylor said, we will need to put on our warm clothes and boots. So what I'm going to do, if I put that dialogue tag in the middle right there, I'm going to always separate it using a comma on this side, okay, before the dialogue tag. And then the second thing you have to remember is, if it's split up like this, then you do not need to have a capital there because it's not a complete sentence yet, okay? It's still part of this sentence here, all right? However, if it is a complete sentence, so here's the other example. I will help you build a snowman, Taylor agreed. We can use Dad's hat and scarf to decorate him. Notice how I have the punctuation mark and then I have a capital letter here. Pay attention to that. If you add if you return to telling your story after a quote, again, just start a new paragraph, so then it kind of shows us that the character is speaking and now they're done. So here I have, I will help you build a snowman, Taylor agreed. We can use Dad's hat and scarf to decorate him. The two girls spent the rest of the afternoon building their snowman. When it was finished, they came inside and warmed up with steaming cups of hot cocoa. Again, I'm just continuing the story, so I want to show that divide. All right? So let's practice. Let's look at this sentence. Haley asked, what are we having for dinner? So what are some things I need to do to that sentence to make the punctuation correct? If you want to pause and look at your reference sheets and write down the sentence correctly, please do that now. The answer is going to be, Haley asked, comma, what are we having for dinner? Notice my quotation marks. Notice the first letter of that quotation is capital and the punctuation is inside the quotation marks. Next, I have the students ran through the hallway chanting, we love school, and central rules, central rules. So I need to correct that sentence, okay? The answer, the students ran through the hallway chanting, comma, I notice my quotation marks and my capital letters, okay? And notice that my punctuation is inside my quotation marks. Next, we have, you can eat lunch with us, offered Emmanuel to the new student, Ethan. Thanks. I didn't know where to sit, said Ethan, as he sat his lunch tray across from his new friend. So go ahead and pause and write those sentences correctly. I will give you a hint. You're going to need another paragraph on this one since we have two speakers. So our answer is, you can eat lunch with us, offered Emmanuel to the new student, Ethan. Thanks. I didn't know where to sit, said Ethan, as he sat his lunch tray across from his new friend. Okay, so notice I have two different paragraphs there. My bonus point winners, do me a favor, McKenna P, Corgan S, and Nelson R. If you have already watched this video to this part, please go ahead and email me, and the whole class will get bonuses. Just say, hey, I watched the email to the end, okay? You show it. You're going to have to write sentences that use dialogue correctly with the correct punctuation. You are also going to have some multiple choice questions where you have to choose the sentence with the correct punctuation. Please, please, please use that quick reference that I posted, okay? Good luck, guys. Let me know if you need anything at all.